भारताचे प्रधानमंत्री आदरणीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी, प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ सिंगापुर मिस्टर लॉरेंस वोंग, केंद्रीय राज्य मंत्री शंतनु ठाकूर जी, खासदार श्रीरंगप्पा बारणे जी, माजी खासदार रामशेठ ठाकूर, आमदार महेश बाल्डी जी, आमदार प्रशांत ठाकूर जी, आमदार पराग शाह जी, चीफ कमिश्नर कस्टम्स विमल कुमार श्रीवास्तव जी, JNPSA प्रमुख उन्मेष वाघ जी, MDPSA गोबू सेलिया जी, श्री अश्विन अरविंद जी, सुनील मुकुंदन जी, BK त्यागी जी, या ठिकाणी उपस्थित सर्व मान्यवर आणि उपस्थित भगिनी आणि बंधूंनो, आज अतिशय आनंदाचा दिवस आहे की JNPA PSAच्या पोर्टचं नुकतंच देशाचे प्रधानमंत्री माननीय नरेंद्र मोदीजी आणि सिंगापूरचे प्राइम मिनिस्टर लॉरेंस वोंग जी यांनी उद्घाटन केलेलं आहे. It's a moment of great pride that honorable prime ministers have unveiled India's largest container terminal, and we can proudly say that Maharashtra and JNPA are hosting the India's largest container terminal from today. It's indeed a very historic moment, and I would like to congratulate JNPA and Port of Singapore Authority, PSA India, for collaborating and creating India's largest container terminal. And as rightly told by Mr. Unmesh Wagh, that today Maharashtra has regained its position as #1 handler of cargo in terms of port capacity that is created in India. And I'm sure from today we embark on a journey whereby will not just be the largest container handlers of India, but very soon after we commence operations at Vadhavan, we will be amongst world's 10 big ports, and that will be a real history, because this journey of being the largest port is going to go a step higher with Vadhavan. And I was discussing with Unmesh ji that after this port and Vadhavan port commissioned, for next 100 years, Maharashtra will be the leader and maritime superpower of India, and Maharashtra will contribute to the global supply chain and make the maritime economy of India very strong. And that is why I feel that today we have started a history, and all credit goes to Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, who has a vision of port-led development, who has charted this vision and implemented it, and we can see the transformation in just 10 years. I am fortunate to witness this inauguration, but I was also fortunate to be present as Chief Minister when the foundation stone of this terminal was laid down by Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, and I think phase 1 was inaugurated, phase 2 started now. I am sure that this collaboration between PSA and JNPA and our ports will continue further, and with today's MOUs, which we have witnessed in the presence of both the Prime Ministers, it is going to grow strong and strong. I would again like to thank Honorable Prime Minister for giving us Amrutkal vision for maritime development, and I am sure that in days to come, India will play a major role in world's maritime economy, and I would say that journey has begun today. So once again, a very big thank you to Prime Minister Modi ji, Prime Minister Wong. Congratulations to JNPA and PSA India, and congratulations to all the citizens of Maharashtra. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.